Why are you crying? Oh no, why are you crying? Say hi, guys. Why are you crying? You cannot say hi, guys. Oh no. No, why are you crying? Why are you crying, man? Why are you crying? You open the corner, you open. You open. You open. Don't cry, don't cry. It's okay, it's okay. You open. I wonder what's inside. What's inside? What's inside? You open, you open. Don't cry now. See, the kids can see you crying. Oh no, it's gonna fall down. No, don't do that. Like that. Yay, thirsty. You're thirsty. You're crying. You talk na. Say hi, guys. No. You're crying, man. Put the water down first. Okay. No. Hi, guys. Talk. I wonder what's inside. What's that? You like this? You try? What's that? Oh, is it white? It's brown. It's chocolate. You like it? What do you say to your viewers?
What?
What do you say? Is it yummy?
Yes.
Yeah, you tell them it's so yummy.
Look.
They're yummy.
Mm.
You look here. There. Why did you cry?
Because Mama's hungry.
Because mom is angry. Why is mommy angry?
Because Jacob cried.
Jacob cry? Why did Jacob cry?
Because Mom is angry to me.
Why is mommy angry to you?
Because Jacob threw my toys.
Jacob throw your toys?
Hmm?
And what did you do to Jacob? What did you do to Jacob?
There.
Yeah.
There's the Jacob toy.
Yeah. What did you do to Jacob? Okay. Say bye, kids.
Okay. Me.
Yeah, smile here. Smile. Your teeth.